Hey everyone, today we're diving into Proton VPN, one of the most talked about VPN services in 2025. Should you go for their free plan or upgrade to paid? Now, quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal opinion and research, including user experiences shared online. Proton VPN stands out for its strong focus on privacy and security. Based in Switzerland, it benefits from strict privacy laws. The free plan is pretty generous compared to other free VPNs. It offers unlimited data, but access is limited to servers in just a few countries and speeds can be slower during peak times. Upgrading to a paid plan unlocks access to over 60 countries, faster speeds, and advanced features like secure core routing, which adds an extra layer of protection by routing traffic or routing traffic through privacy-friendly countries. Plus, paid users can use Proton VPN with Tor and support torrenting. One Reddit user shared their experience switching to Proton VPN after trying other popular services like NordVPN and TunnelBear. They praised Proton VPN for letting them pick servers, which helped avoid speed drops and for smooth torrenting and Tor browsing. So far, they're happy with their decision. On the flip side, Proton VPN's free version is great for casual use, but if you want reliable speed and more server options, the paid plan is worth considering. Final verdict: if privacy and security are your top priorities and you want a VPN with a strong reputation and transparency, Proton VPN is a solid choice. Start free, test it out, and if you need more, upgrade. For info check protonvpn.com and real user reviews on Reddit. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, this is based on my research and personal take. Hit like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.